Hi, it's Doug here again from Black Sun Mortgage, here to talk about another mortgage tour. Hopefully you just had a moment to look at the video at Park and Oak of the brand new construction that is there. The link to that is right up here in the corner, and we'll talk about 988 Park Drive. That was the one we toured, and we'll talk about the cost to get into these units. The project still has 4 units for sale, and the price list is right here. And we're going to talk and do numbers based on the lower value of $1,728,900. As the property price is well over $1 million, we will be talking about 20% down and 35% down. These are the two options we'll go through, and let's begin with 20% down on this project. On $1,728,900, 20% down would be approximately $345,780. The mortgage amount on that would be $1,383,120. And at the current discounted rate right now for a 5-year term at 4.39%, your monthly payment would be $7,601.73. The income required for that mortgage would be $309,845. GST on the property would be $86,445. We'll talk about GST after I talk about 35% down. 35% down on this property on a price of $1,728,900 would be $605,115. That leaves you a mortgage of $1,123,785, and at 4.39%, your monthly payment would be $6,174.40. The income required to qualify for this would be $256,611 a year. Brand new projects also come with GST, goods and services tax. There are rebates for goods and services tax if the property is under $450,000. On any new development, GST is required to be paid by the purchaser, and GST on this project is 5%, full 5% on the price of the unit. If you're buying a property under $350,000, you can get rebates on GST. Properties up to $450,000 are still eligible for rebates of GST, but it's adjusted between $350,000 and $450,000 how much of a rebate you get. Anything above $450,000, you're paying the full 5% GST. The GST on this unit is $86,445. This is an amount that's added to your deposit amount and the property transfer tax. And remember, property transfer tax is 1% on the first $200,000 and 2% on the remaining up to $2 million and including $2 million. There is more property transfer tax above that value, but since these values are under $2 million, we'll just stay with the amount that we have here. The amount of property transfer tax on this property is $32,578. The money you will be walking into the notary or lawyer to pay for this property would be 20% plus the GST plus the property transfer tax. So when we look at 20% down, we're looking at $345,780, $86,445 for GST, and the property transfer tax at $32,578 means you're walking into the lawyer's office with a whopping $462,803 check. On 35% down, you have $605,115 plus the GST of $86,445 and the property transfer tax at $32,578. Again, another check to the notary for $724,138. Thanks again for taking time to listen to my mortgage tour and hopefully look at the property in the link up above. And if you have any questions about this property, about mortgages, about GST or property transfer tax, you can always email me and contact me through there. And I look forward to seeing you on the next tour. Bye.